Hello, I'm the Mike in www.mikeswildlifegarden.co.uk, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a treat for the birds. Here are the ingredients for one of the birds' favourite foods. It only takes a minute or two to make and they absolutely love it. So let's just run through. First I've got some peanuts which I've put through a blender to make into a sort of powdery mush consistency thing type stuff. We've got some Atora shredded beef suet, I'm not advertising Atora by any means, but I've just found that this suet kind of softens easier in hot water than some other I've tried, and that's what we want to do. We've got to melt this into some hot water. Then we've got some home pride self-raising flour, which I had a bit of, just I think because I think that helps the mixture to stick to the coconut shell. And some oats, the cheapest. Don't go buying any expensive oats. The birds don't mind. They can't tell the difference probably. So this is what we do. I'll just put the kettle on. I'll put a bit of water in the kettle to boil it. Container, and put the fat in there like that. Oh, my tame blackbird sat on the windowsill now wanting some food. I don't know if you can hear her chirping. That background noise that you can hear is the boiler. It's sort of right next to where the camera is. I've got the suet in a dish and I've boiled some water. It doesn't have to be boiling, just pretty warm so that it'll melt the fat globules. Pour some water in, so much that should do. And as you can see, there we are, it soon starts to melt all the fat. So now we've just got fatty liquid in there. Now ready to start putting in the ingredients. So let's start with some oats. Throw some oats in there. Bit of flour. Very technical this, as you can see. I don't really care how much is put in of each, because it all works out okay and the birds always seem to love it no matter what I do with it. And now some blended peanuts. And just mix it all together with a fork. Lovely. Now, I put quite a lot of water in there. I think I got a bit carried away with the water, so I'm going to have to put some more of the other ingredients in. Just the flour, the oats and peanuts. I don't think I'll put any more flour in. That's it, that's a nice, not too thick, because when it goes cool it'll harden. And simply, here's half a coconut shell which has been used quite a few times, and I've just fitted some wire on it with a little loop at the top, and on the bird table I've got some hooks underneath. I usually put 2 of these out at a time to save the birds fighting over just one. So now we've mixed it all, put some in, and spread it around with the fork so that it sticks to the shell. I think maybe that's where the flour comes in handy, because you can use flour to make paste, sticky paste. So make sure it's well stuck on the shell, not all dropping out in one piece, and then just fill it up. Flatten it out. And then, and this is a bit stupid I know, and then I just go around the edge, clearing it away from the edge, so that when the birds grab hold of the edge, they don't get the food all over the feet. Well, would you like to eat food that you've been walking in? I don't think so. So there we are. Lovely. And plenty left to make another one. And so I'll go and hang this outside and let's see what happens. Don't forget, ingredients: oats, flour, suet, granules, blended peanuts.